Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a quick video to say thank you to Dee over at DeesSpecialthings. She sent me this really awesome Judy Nutting doll display for my craft room. I really appreciate it. This was given to me as a gift for participating in the Julie Nutting celebration, 2020 celebration, a month or so ago, and she sent this to me for participating, and I just wanted to quickly show what she created. And she has her Julie Nutting dolls here with a really cute outfit. I especially love that one with the plaid dress on, and she paper pieced it beautifully. And so thank you so much, Dee. I really appreciate it, and I will link her channel below, so check her out. She does some awesome crafts over there on her YouTube channel. So thank you guys. Bye bye.